This is No Informatics. I am Gerry, and this is a quick guide on how to use the Companies tab in WERK. So this is all about your clients. So when you open the Companies tab, you want to populate more, you just go to the last line, go down with the arrow, and a new line will appear. When it's the first time that you use this tab, you will see that the only line is the public holiday, and you just go through the same routine. Go to it, arrow down, and there's your empty space. And then you can just populate it. We are using the company Sauber with a contact person named Jean Lacey. And we can put in the number later. We can give him a email. And the email is important in the sense that the emails here is the emails that will receive communication from the WERK system. Then the SLA days, the service level agreement, means that this is the amount of days that have to elapse before a task that is not completed will be escalated to a supervisor or whoever. And you put in that. Then you go to the next one, active. By default, it will be active like you've seen there, but you can also make it disable when it's inactive, like that client there, or you can use the eternal button. And internal just means that it is an active client, but it does not get displayed on your desktop. It is only used for eternal tasks, and therefore you don't clock your whiteboard. But this one will keep active. And then WERK will automatically create a company key for this client. And that is also the key that is used by your client to run ROOP, the customer portal. So you can supply them with this key, this internal key that identifies this client. Now when you're finished, you just go down, and there is your details. There is your details. Now there's two very important buttons. The one is to export. You can export all these details to an Excel file, and that's just by choosing export. And then you will be asked if you want to do this, and you say yes, and then there will an Excel file will open. And there you have it. There's all the details and you can use it, you can save it, you can do whatever you need to do with that. Also, a wise thing to do is when you want to import, is to first export, because it's very important that the columns will correspond in Excel and in WERK, in your company's tab. So you can populate it with new information, but it already gives you a template. So with this set, let's go to the import button. To import is you already set up a file. I've done it. There's the WERK import file. I go to it and open it, and then WERK will ask me a few things. There you are. Very important is that you will just choose which of the columns you want to import. The lookup one, the company name will always be the default. You don't change that. That is the default. But then contact person, yes, I want it. Double click to import. Telephone, yes, let's do that. Email, yes. Well, let's do that one also. But then the status, you never have to. You keep it on skip. You also keep the company key on skip, because WERK will automatically do that. And then you can go to what do you want to do. You can only update, you can insert, you can do, but the easiest way, if you know everything is correct, just go to insert and update. Say, okay, this is Bugatti. There you see Bugatti. So let's say, okay, one inserted, okay, and there
is our new company inserted. And that is it for the companies tab in WERK. Blessings and bye for now.
Thank you for watching, and please feel free to contact us. Know informatics, because it is good to know.